Alright, so today I'm going to try to capture just some clips of me driving around through the mountains here. Not sure how it's going to turn out. First time doing this, it might be shaky or you may not be able to hear me very well, but I'm going to try it today. We're going to drive through the Santa Cruz mountains up to Alice's. Hopefully I have some good clips just to see. These roads are awesome, so I just want to post a couple clips of me cruising through them so everybody can see it. So, alright, let's have some fun. Turn to start us off. Feels good. Let's get the tires warmed up a little bit here. Pretty nice day today, not too hot. But let the tires warm up a little bit. Give us some space. Gonna rip on through here. It's nice because today's a weekday, so there's not a ton of people on the road, but we happen to get stuck by the one guy that is out here. This coolest road's got a couple of hairpins. This one right here, it's pretty fun. Let's get to the car a little bit upset, but not totally off balance. But the hairpins make it fun because you got something to really hit the brakes hard, slow down, and then take off again through the corner into the next little straightaway. It's a pretty fun variety of turns out here. Another group of people up here. Car's doing really well. Just like it's on rails. With these 265s on this car, it really performs well. Even though I don't have any crazy performance type tire on the car right now, on the car now. So nothing too aggressive, but 265 does really well in this car. I hope to upgrade to something a little more sporty in the future, but right now these 265s just feel